Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a toaster strudel. First, carefully remove a single toaster strudel from its wrapper. Next, make sure your toaster or toaster oven is clean and ready for use. You'll also want to find the icing packet that comes with it. Set it aside for now. This simple preparation ensures a perfect, warm treat every time, ready for that delicious frosting. Now, let's get to toasting. Gently place your unwrapped toaster strudel into one of the toaster slots. For best results, set your toaster to a light to medium setting. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes, but keep an eye on it to prevent burning. You're aiming for a golden brown pastry that's warm throughout, not crispy or overdone. Once your toaster strudel is perfectly toasted, carefully remove it from the toaster. Be gentle, as it will be warm. Next, tear open the icing packet along the perforated line. Now for the fun part. Drizzle that delicious icing evenly over the warm pastry. The warmth helps the icing melt slightly, creating a smooth, sweet glaze that's absolutely irresistible. After applying the icing, let it set for just a few seconds. This helps it adhere nicely to the pastry. Now, your perfectly prepared toaster strudel is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to savor that warm, sweet goodness. It's the ideal quick breakfast or snack. And hey, while you're treating yourself, why not treat your car too? Check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep things fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.